So for me, I'm marketing.
Okay.
So I do both RFRH marketing and I do marketing for clients. Our focus is on online. So I basically spend a lot of my morning monitoring and looking around. So monitoring social media for us and our clients, seeing what has gone on overnight, commenting on anything that needs followed up with, monitoring like Twitter and the news to see what's going on in both the world and the social media world, the world of digital marketing, looking at SEO analytics, website analytics, all that kind of stuff, seeing where things are, if anything needs to be fixed. So that's how I spend a lot of my morning, unless there's a more immediate project that I have to do. We have quite a few meetings since our projects are very team-based. So, half hour check-in meetings, update meetings, strategy meetings, those sorts of things. Then the afternoon, if I don't have meetings, is really sitting and getting stuff done. So where the morning is kind of monitoring, catching up on what's gone on, the afternoon is more of like the writing, writing web content, social content, press releases, doing strategy, high-level strategies for any marketing projects we have going on, and then working on new business. So creating strategies for clients that we want to potentially work with.
My day is definitely a little different, but mainly the nice thing about working here is there's a lot of projects and different things that are always coming through. So in the morning I might start on like web design, and then in the afternoon I might switch to a different project that has an upcoming deadline that would be anything from print to a logo to some kind of marketing or another website or an application like a wireframe or a user interface. So it can be pretty much anything. And then we also have meetings sprinkled in there, like project meetings and kickoff meetings and stuff like that. So designer, we would look for someone that definitely knows like Adobe Creative Suite. We work in Photoshop mainly here, Illustrator, and another thing we really look for, like when we're in the interview process, we're really looking for people that kind of fit our culture.
Okay.
We talked about the core values before. Just people that kind of fit in and can handle like the more laid back atmosphere and kind of see how they interact with us, and if they're able to have fun and kind of just joke around and stuff. That's kind of what our culture is.
Yeah.
So we're looking for someone that kind of fits that, as well as having the skills and other things like that.
And on top of that, autonomy is huge. Like, I never have anyone breathing down my neck telling me what to do. I know what I have to do on a weekly basis, and I have to get those things done this week. There's no nagging or anything like that. So being able to do that, some people can't do that. Some people have to know what they're doing every single day. And then in terms of marketing, the skills are, for where we are, kind of an overall knowledge of the digital marketing world. We're not to the point where we're getting specialists yet who are like specialized in SEO and specialized in online ads, that sort of thing. So somebody who's kind of a jack of all trades with that, who can kind of bounce around like I do. And then we also have, our team is mostly developers, and each of the developers has different skills. They're all, I think, ASP.NET on the Microsoft platform, but we have people who are more focused in the software side. We have people who are more focused on the custom website development for like modules and apps within the website. And then we have developers who are focused on web, specifically websites, doing the HTML behind that and making them the responsive websites and stuff like that. So it depends on the position. Okay. But those are kind of our three main: designer, developer, and now marketing.
And we have that. It's basically like a web-based application that lets lenders and banks look at mortgage data on an interactive map and lets them like forecast what mortgages are going to do. It just gives them a lot of like real-life data that they can work with. And we've worked on the website for that. We worked on marketing for that.
We did kind of everything for that. We did the logo originally.
Yeah.
We built the actual software, our building. It'll launch in a couple weeks. Okay. We did the website, the marketing, the copy behind it, the website, their social media, their PR, kind of everything. Wow. We're partnering with them. So that's really exciting for me because we've seen this come from an idea that was nothing, like a prototype, to like the website launched Monday. That's the one we worked on over the weekend. Website launched Monday, and then the software is going to launch late next week. So,
Cool.
and then we get to see after that how it's received, what kind of feedback we get, how many sales we make.
I'd say responsive design is probably the biggest.
Okay.
We've seen a lot of that, a lot of push towards that, and we're actually trying to push that to our clients because we really think that's the best way to display a website or an application that can adapt to any device. So we've really been kind of delving into that a lot more with a lot of our websites.